Okay, action. What you're looking at here is my final project for my ME 305 Mechatronics class. It may look like something that came out of Best Buy or Target, but it's actually just an essential oil diffuser hot glued on top of a wet wipes dispenser. I converted this into what could be the greatest alarm clock that we've ever seen, with an essential oil diffuser set to go off 15 minutes before the alarm. Now I'm just going to prop this up. Okay, as you can see, it's a little after 1 o'clock in the morning, but this final project is far from boring. It's remote controlled. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set a time that's just a minute or so out, and it will recognize that it's within the 15-minute window, and the diffuser will activate up here. And then when it hits the time that it's set for, the buzzer or the alarm will go off. So here we go. I'm going to set this alarm. Okay, now I'm setting it. So it recognized that it was within 15 minutes of coming to the alarm, so it initiated the diffuser up there, and we will wait for it in fast motion for the alarm. Okay, I skipped a little bit so you wouldn't have to watch the second hand go all the way down. Okay, now it's time to wake up, and you got whatever scent you want. Make it turn off. You just gotta turn it off the time, and there you go.